Hello, guys. Welcome back to Brandaoz. Brandaoz will teach this Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Today, Brandaoz will teach Adobe Premiere Pro video setting. First of all, open this Adobe Premiere Pro CC. To see this Adobe Premiere page, you see me some projects. I already work on these projects. Now you start a new project. What is the project? Project means, you whatever making videos always consider this video projects. The video includes some different things, for example, music, video sources, and voiceover. Sometimes you include pics, so this way is called a project. So let's start this project. Click this project. So open the video setting. You see a new project window. So name this video, Class 1. Click Browse and create a folder. You choose a better folder name. Click the Select folder. Class 1 file save in this folder. You see General options. Heavy Computer Rendered 2 options, click the first option. Low Computer Rendered 1 option, no problem. Next Video Display Format. Click Timecode, see different feet frames options. Select only Timecode. Next Audio Display Format. Click Audio Samples. You see 2 options. Select only audio samples. Next Capture Format. Select DV. Select 300 HDR graphics. Click and select Tetrahedral GPU acceleration. Click Scratch Disks and select the same setting. Click General. Complete this setting. Select OK. You see the Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing page. So this was the way to select the setting for your video by using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hit subscribe and ask any question in the comment section below. See you in the next class.